What's up everybody, it's Alexander Travelbum, and today we're gonna go over how to be a travel vlogger. If you want more tips and hacks on how to travel, how to be a YouTuber, how to be a travel YouTuber, click the bell and subscribe so that you don't miss anything. Okay, so the first tip is be unique. Personally, I think being unique on YouTube is the most important thing. Especially if you want to be a vlogger or a travel vlogger, you need to be your own person. You have to do something special. You can't be like everyone else because everyone is trying to be a vlogger these days. So be unique, think of different ways to do things. There is always going to be a different way to make your videos. So color grade it differently, talk about different things, pick a different type of subject. More than anything, you don't want to be like everybody else. Alright, so the next thing is people are interested in you, not just the place. This is something that I've had to learn over time, is that people are interested in you, the host, the YouTuber. Even if they're interested in travel, they're not just going to be interested in seeing the place. I had to learn this over a long time. When I first started this channel, I didn't want it to be about me at all. I didn't want to call it Alexander Travelbum. I just wanted to call it Travelbum, and I wanted to be behind the camera and show people the world, help people discover different places on the other side of the world that they've never been. But I quickly realized that the vlogs that are successful are the ones where the people are on camera a lot of the time, where your audience starts to really get to know you and not just these places that you're showing. Once they get to know you, they'll follow you on your journey. Okay, so next, you have to figure out your niche. Are you going to be making vlogs for the sake of entertainment and humor? Are they going to be informational, cinematic, or kind of run and gun, just as you go, really quickly done? You kind of have to pick your niche and go for one thing. Your audience is going to want to know what you're going to be putting out there. It shouldn't be changing all the time, from cinematic vlogs to informational to this to that, and changing all the time. See if you want to go the route of Gabriel Traveller, who pretty much goes run and gun. He doesn't edit that much, and he just basically shows what he sees as he walks around. It's really easy to do. Or are you going to go the complete opposite route and go the Sam Kolder route, where you put everything into the edit? It's very cinematic and it looks phenomenal. Whatever you do, pick a route that you're going to go and stick to it. Okay, the next thing is don't copy others, but learn from them. Picasso had this really good quote, I believe it was, "Good artists copy, great artists steal." What he meant by that was you can copy someone else's idea and just be like them and be no different, or you can steal their idea, change it, alter it, and make it your own. So I believe you should study other people doing similar things to you. You should study Sam Kolder, Gabriel Traveller, Fun for Louie, Lost Leblanc, Hey Nadine, the Vaga Brothers, Sailing La Vagabond. Look at all these people and see what they do. See what you like, what you don't like, what you think you can do, and what you think you can't do. Because not everyone can do what Fun for Louie does. So figure out what you can do, what you want to do, and stick to that. Okay, the next thing that I've learned on YouTube is be consistent. YouTube really likes it if you're consistent with your videos. Also, your audience appreciates it if they know when your videos are coming out. If you post something 5 times a week and then you go a month without posting, it throws everything off. YouTube has an algorithm and it really favors consistency. I've seen when I am inconsistent, YouTube kind of doesn't push my videos out there and promote them so much. But when I'm consistent, I start gaining more subscribers and more views, and it just goes up and up and up. So be consistent with your videos. Okay, the next thing is don't be afraid of the camera. I mean, I'm not afraid of the camera. Honestly, I'm a little afraid of the camera. I am kind of an introvert, and I've kind of learned how to get better on camera. I'm not sure how it comes across now, but it has gotten better since I started a year ago. If you are afraid of the camera or a little shy on camera, that's normal. That's how it is for everybody starting out. What you should do, I did this little thing. Before I even started traveling and vlogging, I put my phone on this little magnetic clip on my car on my commute to work. My commute to work was about 20 minutes long, and I would just talk the whole time. I would do it all the way to work, and I would do it coming back. And after I had done that for about a month, I got a lot better at talking to the camera. Okay, the next thing is, it's not about the gear, but it helps. So a lot of people will tell you, it's not about the gear, it's all about you, it's about your personality. You can vlog with a phone, you can vlog with anything you have. Well, that's true in a way, and I think it is more about you. But it really helps to have a good camera. I noticed when I was vlogging, I upgraded my camera halfway, and my videos just got so much better. I mean, if you have a good camera, the picture looks better, you feel better putting it out there, everything looks better, and it just really does help, no matter what they say. So invest in a good camera. I'm gonna go over the best travel vlogging gear. I'll probably link to it right above my head once that video is out. Okay, one valuable lesson I've learned is don't give up. YouTube is very, very hard to get rolling. Your channel is most likely going to be very, very slow growth in the beginning. It is kind of excruciating. You put a ton of hours into your edits, a ton of hours into your work, and you put out 1, 2, 3, 10 videos, and you only have 100 subs or maybe less. And it takes time. You're not making any money from it, but you get there. If you stick to it, one of your videos takes off and the subscribers just start rolling in. And then you put out more and more and more, and the more views you get, the more subscribers you start getting, the more views you get when you put out the video. The more views you get right away when you put out the video, the more YouTube likes it and promotes your videos. The more your videos get promoted, the more people find you, and therefore you get more subscribers, and it's just this circle. And it starts getting better. It's exponential growth. It's just very, very hard at the beginning, and it will probably take a few months to get anywhere. But don't be discouraged and do not give up. Okay, the next thing is make a lot of videos. Make a ton of videos, maybe even try daily vlogging if you can swing it. Put a bunch of videos out there because YouTube likes it when you're putting more out there, and it just gives people more ways to find you. Your videos have more chances to take off or go viral, so just put a lot of videos out there and you'll find success sooner. Also, you get better with every video, or most people do. They just get better and better and better. So it's kind of like practice makes perfect. Keep putting videos out there and you'll get better faster. Okay, next is shoot extra footage. I have learned this the hard way. If you don't shoot enough, sometimes you can't even make a video out of it. There were many times in Vietnam and the Philippines, I went to just these amazing places and I couldn't make a video out of it to save my life because I didn't have enough footage. So it's always better to have more footage than not enough. The next thing is cut out the bullshit. A lot of vloggers, they just talk to the camera constantly talking for minutes at a time, not showing anything. And just remember, it's kind of a happy medium. If you're a travel vlogger, people are there to see places, but they're also there to see you. But they're there to see both. They don't want to just see you on camera, just see your face for 10 minutes, but they also don't just want to see the places because they want to see you. So you need to find this happy place where you can kind of do a little bit of both. Just don't talk to the camera for 5 minutes about nothing. Cut out the boring stuff. People get bored very easily on YouTube. There are a ton of videos they could be watching, and if you start boring them even for 5 seconds, they'll exit out and they'll find a better video. Okay, the next valuable lesson learned is collaborate. Collaborating with other people is great, it's fun, but it also grows your channel. It grows yours and it grows theirs. If you collaborate the right way, you make a video, they make a video, you get your subscribers to look at their video, they get their subscribers to look at your video, and you both grow from there. So it helps others out, it helps you out, you have fun, you make a friend, and the more you do it, the faster your channel will grow. Okay, the next couple are travel related. Travel to cheap countries if you don't have much money. To be a travel vlogger, you're going to need to travel to a bunch of places to really get a lot of content out there. So if you don't have much money, you need to travel to cheaper countries so that you can travel to more countries and have more videos on different places. People are going to come to your channel and they're gonna look and see, does this vlogger have videos all from one place, or do they have videos all over the world? And the more you have on there, the more they're gonna want to follow you and see you as this professional traveler that's been everywhere and actually knows what they're talking about. Okay, the next thing is to travel to places that aren't oversaturated. This is places like Iceland. Everyone's been to Iceland lately. There are a ton of vlogs on it. Hawaii, everyone's been going there. Places like Paris, France, everybody knows about. You need to go places that less people have been, because it's also less saturated and you have more of a chance for your vlog to be seen. So I was traveling in Thailand to start out, and everyone has gone to Thailand. There are thousands of vlogs on Thailand. But then I went to Myanmar, where less people have been because it hasn't been opened up to visitors for very long. And my videos really just started to take off. So I learned that people like to see new things. They don't just want to see the same thing they've seen a ton of times before. Okay, so I've linked to all my vlogging gear below. Check them out to see everything I've talked about. And I think that's it for today. So thank you for watching. I'm Alexander Travelbum. Please subscribe if you haven't already. It helps me out. Like this video down below, and I will see you in the next video.